Hi and welcome to the Little Ripples video on, I've really struggled with this title actually, but it's about if it's possible to make a low-cost business website with limited IT knowledge. This is basically it's a promotional video, what I do here. I'm just going to show you. I recently did a project with Mark Ashby Photography where we set him up, with some guidance, he set up his own website. And he's managed to do this on a limited budget. So with setting up the website and some guidance points along the way, he's managed to build himself a very professional looking website, which is the one here. I'll go and have a look at that again in a second. Now, what I'd recommend from a client's point of view is that we use WordPress. Now this is because it's you can easily add content. We can add extra functionality easily also. There's already many awesome themes that we can use. If you keep to a theme, then it's going to be cheaper in the long run, and it's going to be less time to get you going. And with the themes that are out there, there are also websites that look good on all devices. There's many other advantages as well of using WordPress. One that I haven't listed here is that you can engage your users with messaging and enable them to log in, etc., and see private content if you wish to. And it already powering around 50% of the world's blogs and almost 20% of the world's websites. Let's go and have a look at WordPress. Okay, so back in the day, 10 years ago now, WordPress has been around. Most their sites had this sort of format: a header, menu, archive would be listed on the left or right, and then you would have the main screen. So they're basically predominantly blogging websites. Now with the themes nowadays, we can lift the site away from this. This is Wise Monkey Media's website, and because I help these guys with their websites, and this one. So with this, they make videos there as well as other things promotion. Have a quick look at it. So the video players, it's quite nice because the video player just sits straight in on these ones. You can play your video. Okay, show you another site. This is Ocean Blue Clothing, a clothing website. So they've gone for another sort of graphical website showing their images, links to the social medias. This is Paul's F Camping. They've gone for the slideshow. Look. Whether this was through for Wise Media Monkey again. This is more of a basic sort of look, straightforward. I quite like these ones. Mark Ashby, this is the one I was talking about. This is one I've helped him make himself. There's a couple of things I'd probably improve up, making those fonts bigger, but otherwise it's a really nice looking website. Now the main reason that WordPress is so popular is basically it's the back end for the client. It's very easy to use. If you want to upload your own blogs, change your pages, change your text, I'll show you what you'd be looking at. Okay, so it's easy for posts. If you add in a blog, you would just go to add new, and once you select from your category, it would then automatically, you'd write your text. You could add an image. Add an image is you could drag and drop your file in there, or upload a file, depending on which way you want to go. type your text in there, pick your category. There are other things to fill out, like for your keywords, etc. Adding tags, but the basic principle is as simple as that, and that will then organise that into your menu items. And you would do that. You'll have pages and posts, so that would be your blogging section, and your pages would be here. Here's settings. This is where you can change your menus around, etc. There's your menus, and there will be drag and drop. You can add your theme, add plugins. So for example, if you wanted to add let's see, automatic Facebook statuses, then you've got a choice of plugins. If most of these are free, but they do recommend a donation, and I would highly recommend that you donate to these people, because obviously then they can develop their plugins further, which you benefit from in future. So even if it's a small donation, you know, £5, etc., it's well worth doing. It's not always as simple as that. We often have to tweak things and we'll make sure we back up. So it's worth having a lesson on these things before you set off. But that's it. If you want to have a professional looking business website at low cost, you can do it mostly yourself, but through littleripples.com we will help you get to your final destination, and we're only a phone call away.